Hello, welcome. My name is Shankar, yoga teacher from Art of Living. So today we'll just see what is asana. Asana is a part of yoga technique, right? Asana generally when people say yoga or asana, they consider very difficult pose or doing activity just like you do in aerobic or a gym or any other sports. But asana is totally a different meaning it is there. See, asan means in any Indian language when you say asan means a chair, a comfortable place where you can relax. It's not doing very difficult things. Asan is to relax so that mind calms down so it can meditate. Right? So we'll see what is asana. According to Patanjali Maharishi, asana he just gives two sutras how to do the asana, and third, what is the benefit. First one. So we'll just see. We'll just sit tall. We'll just do one simple asana. People don't even consider this as asana. Namaskar asana. So what we do? We'll just stretch hands. Namaste. Normal namaste we are doing. But when I'm doing this, Patanjali Maharishi says Prayatna Shaitilya. That's the second sutra. Right? When I come into the pose, I'm making an effort. But can I drop the effort after coming into the pose? See, only when you do an effort, you can drop it. Not keep on continuing the effort. No. Relax in the pose. Before that, he says, Sthiram. Am I comfortable? Is my body steady? Is my breath steady? Is my mind steady? Sukham. Is my body comfortable? Comfortable means what? You don't even know the weight of the body. Can you be in this pose for 1 hour like you watch TV without feeling the weight? Then it becomes asana. Sthira, Sukham, Asanam. Prayatna, Shaitilya, Ananta Samapatibhyam. Can you experience infinity in this pose? Like this, when you do any difficult pose, can you do implement these four? See, it can be done by everybody. Even all over people all over the world can do this. Namaste.